When I look back and I think about where I was before I started these 3 steps, I was tired constantly, and I juice, I eat organic, like I am putting the right things in my body. I remember just coming home some days from the ice rink and just wanting to go in my room and lock myself in the room. And as a mom, you can't do that. There's dinner, there's laundry, there's making sure the homework's done. So my day did not end. I don't know if I would have stuck with this if I wasn't a day 1 thriver, because I was such a skeptic. My energy, I noticed, was through the roof, and I did not need coffee. And I loved coffee as a coffee connoisseur. It was day 3 for me that really got me thinking, because my daughter said to me, "Mom, who are you?" And I was singing at 5 a.m., making her eggs. I was just so happy and motivated. I was like, yeah, who am I? I don't know. But I loved it. And she said, "Mom, never stop thriving."